Hi, this is Lock Picking Gal. I got today a lock that I had ordered off of eBay. It's called All Safe on the padlock, but on the key it states Fort Lock Company, Chicago, Illinois, USA. It is a wafer lock, and it screws and opens that way. Whenever I got this lock, it was really dirty, so if you see dirt coming out of it, that's why. Okay, this locked. Oh, we gotta go the other way. It's a double-sided wafer lock. Okay, with this lock, you do have to pick it several times. This one. I do one side and then I go to the other. Oh. Okay. Must have missed something. There's another turn. Oh, and then we got it open. So, it's a pretty cool lock. This is a bitting on the key. And we'll just lock it back up. Just gotta make sure it's lined up and lock it back up. Okay, that is the Chicago, or the Fort Lock Company, Chicago, Illinois, USA. And on the lock it says all safe. And on the bottom it does say patent pending. So that's it. It's a double-sided wafer, so thank you.